gentlemen, this is still the 2024 edition of our very own Enterprise Development Fair. Yes, and it is happening right here inside UNIMAC IG Jolu campus.
Graduates, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
are very privileged, and keep it up. It's going to be tough. It's not going to be rosy with prizes and dancing and screaming. There are days where you are going to be stuck in the room and you are crying. You are wondering where X would amount to Y. But don't stop, okay? This is just the beginning. And well done to you people. You deserve it. Well done.
Hot pocket.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the Enterprise Development Fair 2024 goes to Primero. Thank you very much.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.